Greeting aspirants. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a topic that affects each of us profoundly, wealth. Specifically, we'll explore why the majority of people never achieve significant wealth and break down the 5 fundamental rules that can help you understand and potentially alter your financial trajectory. Rule 1. Mindset matters. Let's start with the cornerstone of wealth accumulation, mindset. Wealthy individuals possess a unique mindset that distinguishes them from the majority. They view money not as a finite resource, but as a tool for creating opportunities. They embrace risk intelligently, understanding that calculated risks often lead to substantial rewards. Moreover, they invest in their education and personal development continuously, recognizing that knowledge is a powerful asset in wealth creation. Rule 2. Income versus expenses. Moving on to the second rule, the crucial balance between income and expenses. Wealthy individuals prioritize increasing their income through diverse streams such as investments, businesses, and passive income sources like real estate or dividends. They're meticulous about managing expenses, distinguishing between investments that generate returns and liabilities that drain resources. By maintaining this disciplined approach, they ensure that their wealth grows steadily over time. Rule 3. The power of compounding. Next, let's explore one of the most potent forces in wealth accumulation, compounding. Wealthy individuals understand and leverage the power of compounding to their advantage. They begin investing early and consistently, allowing their investments to grow exponentially over time. Whether it's in stocks, bonds, real estate, or business ventures, they recognize that small, consistent contributions can yield significant returns over the long term. Rule 4. Leverage and scale. The fourth rule revolves around leveraging resources and scaling efforts. Wealthy individuals don't rely solely on their own efforts or savings. Instead, they leverage other people's time, expertise, and capital through strategic partnerships, networks, and scalable business models. By leveraging resources effectively, they can amplify their impact and generate greater returns with less personal effort. Rule 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. Lastly, continuous learning and adaptation are critical to maintaining and growing wealth. Wealthy individuals are lifelong learners, staying abreast of market trends, technological advancements, and changing economic landscapes. They're not afraid to pivot strategies or explore new opportunities when circumstances evolve. This adaptive mindset ensures that they remain ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Conclusion. In conclusion, achieving wealth isn't just about luck or inheritance. It's about adopting the right mindset, managing finances wisely, harnessing the power of compounding, leveraging resources effectively, and continually learning and adapting. By understanding and applying these 5 fundamental rules of wealth, you can significantly enhance your chances of achieving financial success. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content on personal finance and success strategies. See you next time.